So as we open our app, you guys will be brought to the quote screen or the currency pair screen. And this is where you can jump from market to market. I mean, this is kind of the main hub, you know, for switching currencies and all that fun stuff. So guys, when you first get your app, you're probably only going to have 10 to 15 currency pairs on there. And you know, what you want to do is go to this plus button at the top right, and you'll be brought to all these subcategories. And you know, you'll kind of just go through them, add the ones that you want to add. Or you guys can always come back later, because let's just say, just in case the Harmonic Scanner calls out a trade that you just happen to not have, this is where you would go to add that currency pair. So just add, and then go back, and then you know, scroll down and then find the currency pair and then trade it. So speaking of trading, how do you specifically place trades on the phone? So let's just say the Harmonic Scanner calls out a trade for USD JPY. You tap that once. The subcategory comes out, you have trade, chart, and details. You're going to go to chart, and boom, here we are. So the Harmonic Scanner is telling us to buy or go long. So check this out. We tap the screen once. We have trade, indicators, object settings. We're going to go to trade, and boom, guys, we are brought to you know, where the magic happens, guys. This is very important, so pay attention. So guys, we're just going to go from top to bottom, and we're going to get through this. So first you have your currency pair, USD JPY, and then our second one is market execution, lot size, stop loss, take profit, sell and buy, or go short or go long. So let's start back up here. So market execution, if we actually press market execution, you will be brought to a list of subcategories to you know, to put a pending order in. You know, you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. And guys, this is for some of us that either don't want to sit at our screen all day, or maybe some of us want to put trades into the future, or just put a pending order in. I mean, that's the official term, pending order. So the difference between limits and stops, guys, is that limits go against the market, stops go with the market, and we'll get into all that fun stuff later. But for now, we'll stay with market execution. So since the you know, the Harmonic Scanner is telling us to go long, you know, we really want to have our lot size you know, in the right place. You know, we don't want it too high. Like I said in my last video, keep a 3% risk and kind of determine that for your account and figure out what lot size you need to use. So if you need to use a 5-cent lot, great, it's already there. If you need to use a 10-cent lot, you just simply click the plus button here, and you go up to you know, 10 cents, or if you need to go up to 20, or maybe you just need to go back down to 1. That's a 1-cent lot right there. So guys, this is a very important part. You don't want to be you know, definitely going too high with this, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, this is your lot size, and then you have your stop loss and take profit. Now guys, your stop loss is like your insurance on your trade. So let's just say the market does like a 180 on you, and like I said, if you're risking 3%, you wouldn't be losing that much. So this is where you put your stop loss in, and this is where you put your take profit, and your take profit is just basically, you know, the target amount of pips that you're trying to hit. So you just fill in the information there, and then you sell or you buy. Now, like I was saying, selling is going short, buy is going long, and since the Harmonic Scanner, like I was saying, was telling us to go long, we're going to press buy, and boom, we are in the market, guys. But since the market is closed, I am doing this on a Saturday, you know, my trade won't go in. But so that's how, guys, this is a very important part. Let's just go into pending orders just real quick. Let's just do an example. Let's just say we do a buy limit, and you'll notice that there's another subcategory here. There's price, right? So you know, this is the, like I was saying, this is the trade that's put into the future. This is your pending order, so you can go do life, and you don't have to sit at a screen all day. So you know, you'll have your lot size, like I was saying, fill in the price, the stop loss, the take profit, so price, stop loss, take profit, and in place, right? Boom. But the market is closed once again. So yeah, guys, that's how you place trades. Now, where do you go to actually go to close your trades or to look how your trades are doing? You go to this subcategory down here to trade, and then you're brought to this hub, and this is where all your trades you'll be able to see. Hopefully this whole thing is not filled out with live trades. Hopefully you only have like 1 to 2 trades. But guys, when you want to close out of these trades that you have in here, since we're going to have to use our imaginations here, say there's a trade right here, all you'd have to do is press and hold. A subcategory will show up. You'll see close, and you just simply press close, and then you'll see a yellow bar right here, and then you'll press the yellow bar. And then that will close you out of your trade. So then after that gets closed, it actually gets pushed to your history, so you can see the history of your trading to see how well you're doing, or maybe not so good. So it's kind of like reality check. How good am I actually doing? So after that, guys, you know, and I don't know why I did this last, but we're doing it now. So for you guys who are you know, trying to pair your account with your phone, you know, your Trader's Way account, your FXCM account, you go here and you go to trade accounts, and you won't see any of this here, but you'll go to this plus button at the top. I don't know if you saw that. You go to the plus button at the top, and you'll be brought to the category like this. So you'll see start without registration, open a personal demo, log into an existing account. So you're going to log into an existing account. You're going to look for your broker, which one it is. Hopefully it's Trader's Way, because I believe Trader's Way is the best. And then boom, you'll see demo, you'll see live, and I'm guessing most of you are live, so we'll press live. You'll fill in your login information and password from Trader's Way, press sign in, and boom, you are good to go, guys. So that was a pretty quick crash course. If you need to go back and watch it and pause it, take notes, and just follow along with it on your phone, that's what I would suggest to do. And I'm sorry, guys, this is an iPhone. I do not have an Android, so we'll have to figure out who can make that video next, because I know they're a little different platforms. But guys, please tag your teams in this, and if you liked it, you know, like it, comment, share, and all that fun stuff. So guys, let's get it and let's catch these pips.